Hey, what's up, you guys? And yes, welcome to a new video on my Scary Story channel. Now, like I told y'all in the YouTube short, like the comments of the YouTube short, not in the actual video, but in it, in the comment section, I put that from today on, like I promised last year, but I didn't do it. From now till October 31st will be daily scary stories on this channel. So today, since I'm actually now working at a job, I figured the first story for the daily scary story video would be about deaths at work places. But not 3 stories. I'm doing just one. And it's this story. After my intro, you will see the story. Doing the whole scary stories videos in the format where I actually read the article, but oh well. I've been doing it like this so I can memorize it. Anyway, today's story was updated on June 25th, 2019. If you didn't have the guts to watch Final Destination, a movie documenting some of the most freakish ways to die, the following incident might not be the most enjoyable thing you read today. All it took was a split second of distraction for this Filipino teenager to get crushed to death after being pulled into a meat mixer at a sausage making factory. Here's the photo. Y'all see a better version on the thumbnail. The picture of the incident now circulating online has the internet into a tizzy. The lad, who was just 18 years old, had joined the factory 2 weeks ago before the deadly machine took his life. According to The Sun, the boy named Jomar Junko was found with only his legs sticking out of the machine by workers arriving for their morning shift. For the unintubated, well, you see it. There it is. You can imagine just how horrific Jomar Junko's state would have been. The report detailed that Junko had come into work at around 7 in the morning. He started his work as usual with his co-worker, Carlos, who supervises his machine use. The fatal accident happened when Carl stepped away for a moment and Jomar tried to operate the machine alone. The teenager got his right arm caught in the machine and it dragged him inside. Carl David Carlos, a former college of Junko's colleague, told local reporters it is possible that he put his hand near the blades inside the machine while it is turned on. You cannot reach the switch while standing there. And there's a real picture. Okay, there's more. The motor is 2 horsepower strong, but stopped midway when half of his body is in it. We took him out of the machine after turning it off completely. Jomar's station is in the other room. The boy's body was recovered intact after a technician and to partially disable the machine in order to remove it. Jasmar Jackalow, the owner of the factory, said Junko's job was to pack finished products and that he should not have been operating any machinery. And that's all for this story. Now right here I'm going to show those pictures in HD because I can barely see them. The photos of the actual incident and what he actually looks like. And then I'll come back and do an outro. So hope you guys enjoyed this new scary story video. Now I'm going to be working on a new one. The opening to the video, you'll see me at my job, but it'll have me narrating over it. Because tomorrow is also another factory job incident that gone wrong. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure the notification bell is on because that video is dropping tomorrow. I don't know exactly which one it will be, but just know it is about a factory. Happy Halloween.